Everybody knows paid search is a highly effective way to reach your target audience. However, like all advertising mediums, pay-per-click or PPC has its limits. To refine your paid search campaigns, you can combine them with other advertising strategies, such as CRO, display ads, and remarketing. By carefully matching the right paid search strategy to the right marketing goals, you can maximize your results. The short answer is no. Education institutions face a unique challenge. Not only do you need to compete for students with brand name schools, but you also need to generate leads and convert them into customers. This means PPC ads can be a great way to increase visibility when potential students type in their queries on search engines. This drives home awareness and increases interest in your programs. However, without other strategies, you could decrease your chances of closing more leads. Landing pages play a crucial role in getting leads and converting them into students. Imagine working so hard for students to come and browse through your website, only for them to take one good look and forever drop off the marketing funnel because your pages are taking too long to load. Your copies, images, and videos also play an important role in drawing and locking in visitors. Measure results frequently and make changes based on what works best for your business model and target audience. The key word for success here is optimization. Some quick tips and fixes for ensuring conversions include providing relevant content, using eye-catching and meaningful photos and videos, making website navigation easy, using clear headings, titles, and subtitles. Display ads appear on a website's homepage and have longer ad intervals, usually over 30 seconds. And when combined with PPC campaigns, this type of ad results in better overall conversion performance. Remarketing is used to target students who have digitally interacted with your brand in the past. It's important not to bombard your customers with retargeting ads too aggressively, as this could annoy them and cause them to click away from your marketing efforts altogether. When implemented strategically, remarketing can continue building trust and rapport with potential customers until they are ready to make a purchase. Understanding who your target students are and what keywords they're using when searching for education-related content is a game changer. When you combine this data with your understanding of your conversion funnel, you create ads that are relevant to both your brand and prospects. Think of it as a feedback loop. The more successful your paid search efforts are, the higher your chances of CRO success, which allows for better testimonials on your social ads. Start beefing up your education marketing strategies today by working with Grow Enrollments. Thanks for watching.